feel so queer, I sometimes fear that things will drive me mad. A little girl with frizzing curls came here a week ago to work upon the telephone that says hello, 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 hello. Her voice's music rings, it's sweeter than the whippoorwill that in the moonlight sings across the floor beside the door. As I marched to and fro, she leaned upon that telephone and said hello, hello. I've not spoken to her yet, I've been in such a daze. Although she sometimes looks at me with sort of a distant gaze, I feel so weak, I cannot speak, my heart is beating